all days are booked with appointment or our calling approx 95 lakh to 1 crore. How we helped our client interior design business generate 1 crore rupees revenue in closed project in just 60 days. And I gonna give you the complete breakdown of result, the challenges, and what exactly we did and how you can do it for yourself and generate result. So let's start first with result breakdown. So in span of 2 months, we have generated 527 leads and 310 leads were ideal and 112 consultation call booked, 58 site visits and 8 project closed where 2 big ticket commercial deals are included. Approx 95 lakh to 1 crore rupees in closed revenue and 80 lakh plus worth of project is on active pipeline, and we have spent 70,000 rupees on meta ads, that is Facebook, and we have spent 40,000 on system, and time frame is 2 months, and this is your result of a tier 2 city business. And now let me show you the actual proof so that you don't think that I am just talking on thin air. So let's start first with our outreach sheet. You can see here are our calling agent call the leads we generate, mail leads, April leads, you can see. And here is our calendar. You can see all days are booked with appointments, May, June, April. So here is the sneak peek of our calendar. And now let me show you the actual sheet, like a master sheet, where we keep track of our closed project and the client, very serious client that going to be closed. So it is very confidential. So yeah, this is sneak peek of our master sheet, and so I think that's enough. Now let me show you the ad dashboard where we have actually spent the money. You can see 25,000, 10,000, 5,000, 4,000, and you can see the number of leads we have generated: 2 to 9 leads, 159 leads, 56 leads, 46 leads, 24, 24, and 10, 30 to 14, and 12, 5. So if we calculate in total, that will gonna be around 600 leads. And here is the actual ad creative and copy. This is the sneak peek. Obviously I can't show detail. And so I have given you the proof actual dashboard, our CRM or our tracking sheet, and this is enough to show the credibility of my result. And now let me show you what are the challenges before when client assigned project to us, and what exactly we did, and what are the lesson for you. So in brief, if I wanna give you, the stakes were really high. Our client had been in intelligent space from 15 years, and they were operating under their own brand. Recently they took a major leap by acquiring a homeland franchisee. So the result I have shown you is result of a homeland franchisee. And you know what is homeland? Homeland is a giant in interior design space in India, right? Their branch spread all over India, right? So you can obviously, if you are in design space, you know what is homeland, live space, decor, decor pot. There is various. If we talk about top three, homeland is, I think homeland is top one. Then comes to, then live space comes in second spot. So this was another business expansion. They were taking a very high risk, so they need with heavy financial commitment and monthly obligation. Failure simply wasn't an option. So the client made their expectation clear crystal. We need at least 3x return. There is no room for error, no room for negative growth, and not even break even is acceptable. And for years, their business had heavily relied on referrals, commission project. While referral had sustained growth, they were unpredictable, difficult to scale. Yes, referrals, word of mouth, and project against some commission are good, but we can't sure about their predictability. And if you are expanding or scaling your business, then you need a system that you can get clients on demand. So like many business owners, they had experimented with digital marketing in the past. Unfortunately, the experience was disappointing: poor leads quality, wasted budget, and little to no miserable result. So they have shared with us all their experience they have been gone through. And so we have made a clear cut plan, and the result you are already seeing. So after heavily investing into franchise and taking a significant debt, they couldn't afford another failed marketing experiment. They needed a predictable system that could generate high intent leads, convert them into consultation call, and ultimately drive profitable result without relying solely on referrals. And their pressure was immense, the expectation were high, and the margin for error was virtually zero. So these are the challenges. They took very heavy loans for franchisee, and they need some quick project or some profit so they can uh, comes into profitable stage, because the pressure was immense and they need clients, right? And they can't rely on solely on referrals and word of mouth. And the past experience with other agency was not good, so they have cleared all their expectation, their goal with us, and we took the challenge. And what exactly we did, so here it is. Here is the brief what we done. So our approach wasn't limited to running ads. We went deep into the entire business operation, because we knew that marketing alone can't create growth, system do. From day one, our highest priority was speed across every department. In high ticket business, speed isn't an advantage, it is necessity. Here, what we focused: first, we optimized the offer, we refined the positioning offer to make it more compelling to a prospective customer. Build sales system, we created structured sales SOP scripts and process to improve consultation to project conversion rates. Improved hiring decision, we helped with hiring, firing, and team restructuring to ensure the right people were in right roles. Implemented speed to lead, we established a process to ensure lead were contacted as quickly as possible, and significantly improving conversion rate. So we also help in hiring. Let me show you. uh, so here you can see we even ran hiring campaign. Here you can see, and let me show you another proof. And so I will attach a snapshot of apna.co. This is a hiring platform where we post a job post for interior design or uh, field sales executive. So we help them in hiring to made all the team with sales executive, calling agent, everything we have is structured in very symmetric way, right? And aggressive ad testing, we continuously tested multiple creative audience and campaign to identify winning combination faster. That's why you can see you see lots of campaign we have tested, right? And lead qualification framework, we introduce system to filter and prioritize high intent prospect, allowing sales team to focus on opportunities that matter. And operational deep dive, we analyze the entire customer journey from lead generation to project closure to identify bottleneck to eliminate inefficiencies. And our formula was very simple. Growth, we can't assure growth by just running ads. First, we need to make sure all the system in the back end is good: sales, marketing, operation. And ads only you can say increase or help to scale the system that is already working good. If your system is broken in backend, you can't scale with hacks. So that's the uh, our formula. And what is the lesson for you? So the lesson for you, if you want to scale, and so if you need predictable lead generation system, fast execution, strong follow-up system, operational excellence, and brand people trust, so you need to focus all in these five aspect. Then you can scale your intelligent business past 1 crore rupees, 2 crore rupees a month, or you can close a project worth of 1 or 2 crore rupees in within 60 days, 90 days. Yes. So these were the challenge. So I have shown you the complete breakdown. So if you want to apply all this system for your business and want to create client on demand system for your interior design business, you can contact us, we can help you. So thank you.